This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign up for Zoom. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Zoom website. You will easily find a prominent button labeled Sign Up. It's free, typically positioned in the top right corner of the page. Click this to begin your account creation process. The first step involves entering your date of birth. This ensures you meet the platform's age requirements. This initial step is quick and straightforward, paving the way for your new account. Next, you will need to provide a valid email address. This email will be used to create your new Zoom account and is essential for future communications. After submitting your email, open your inbox and look for a verification email sent from Zoom. It usually arrives within 1 or 2 minutes. Click the activation link contained within this email to confirm your address and fully activate your new account. This step is crucial for security and completing your registration. Now, you will set up your profile by creating a secure password and entering your first and last name. It is important to choose a strong password, ideally one that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a few symbols for maximum security. Take a moment to review Zoom's terms of service and privacy policy, then click to agree. This ensures you understand how your data is handled. Once completed, your basic account profile is ready. For the best experience, especially when hosting or joining meetings, downloading the Zoom desktop client is highly recommended. The download often begins automatically after your account setup is complete. If not, simply navigate to the Resources section on the Zoom website and select Download Zoom Client. Once the download finishes, follow the simple on-screen prompts to install the application on your computer. This process usually takes less than 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.